Hi guys, my name is Hassan and welcome to Little Things. So today we are going to do another video and the video is about craft. And you would be thinking, where is Avni? So here she is. Hi guys. Yeah. So here she is and today we are making lamp. Yeah, we are making lamp. And as you can see, I have made two so that so that there will be no confusion.
Can be like this. If
Yeah,
we will
there is
open
a
it,
hole on both of them, and we can just. You would be thinking that this is not a lamp, but I will show you. We just have to fill air. See, it's a lamp. Now you just have to put some lights, small lights from into this hole, which is non-wired. I didn't put because I didn't. It was not available here right now during this COVID-19, and there are two of them.
yeah.
I will blow
here
the
is
second one.
Minecraft.
Yeah.
So guys, here is my paper.
See, this
Forgot to tell paper. How I will keep it? Like this or
See?
like this? How I will keep it like this or this?
So guys, one is purple and one is blue. She took a sheet because we only had one more craft paper. That is why.
Yeah. So here is mine one.
Yeah, actually, one and I have two here, and I'm keeping it here. And I will take out my craft paper.
Then
Yes.
I don't know. Asim, I don't know how to make a lamp.
Yeah, so that only I'm teaching Avni and you all to make it. How to make it, I mean.
I'm happy with this paper only.
She's so cute, right? Okay, so I have
If
used
I will use a
purple and blue, so this time I'm going to use pink. Yay! So guys, I didn't see there were two pink in this. We thought that there is not one craft paper available, so I'm going to give this one to Avni.
Thank you, Asim. You are so nice.
Welcome.
1 second, guys.
But we didn't see only.
Yeah. So guys, now Asim.
Actually, because it was like this and the here's cover was plain, so I thought only one was there. But yeah, there's two. So yeah, the other blue one is here. Yes, you can see, guys. Okay, so what we have to do? That's a square, right?
So
but
we have to turn this like
into
this
a,
in the
into a triangle.
1 second. In a pointed place.
Yeah, in a pointed place.
Oopsies. Guys.
So yeah, guys, mine is done. It should be a perfect triangle. And sometimes, guys, this company's craft no, not all this company only. The craft paper is not fully square, so that's why we have formed this triangle to see that it is square or not. And if you have a little bit line left here, you can cut it with the scissors. Okay, done, Avni?
No, 1 second.
Yeah, done.
Okay, done.
So our craft also starts with this triangle only. So now we have to turn another triangle. See, guys, it was like this, and now I did it like this.
Like this and like this. See?
Yes.
Okay.
Guys, if you're thinking that it's very hard, so don't think like that because it's very easy. Okay, let's start. I made this triangle. We have to press it. That there are lines. Okay, so now when you open it.
Okay.
Open it.
See,
And guys, you will see that like this, there are that means there it is bending, right? See, it's bending, right? So we have to push this both of the corners like this. We have to hold from this end and I mean this end, And you have to see that not from here it is not bending, right? From where it is bending, you have to do it like this.
Like this?
And form a yeah.
Like this?
No, not like this. See, guys, from Avni's bending is from here. So Avni, yeah, push these both triangles and
Like
make a
this?
triangle.
Like this?
Yes. Very good.
See, it is like this. Here is both the side bend, so we will push it here. The line.
And guys, we have to press all the corners so that our, our lamp comes out nice. See, it should be like this. Now you will see that there is one more end, so you have to push that also in.
How? Show
See
again.
this one like this, and you have to push it in. First it will look little messy, then you have to make it into a triangle like this, and then that.
How? Show me again.
See, like this it was, right? Then you have to push this.
How?
See, you have to push. Guys, you can see once again. You have to push this in, and from here you have to see your made a triangle, and done.
Thank you.
Yeah, done. So the next step is to make it. See, it is like this, right? It's right now it's like this. So we have to do this up and like this.
This is
No, not both of them, guys. Only one leaf.
Only one.
We have two leaves. I mean two papers.
See, only one here.
Yeah. But do it according to the line, okay?
Okay.
So that your craft comes out nice. Okay. So as you can see, guys, I have done this, and the second from here also only one of the leaf. You have to do like this, and
Here on like how we do here, we should do
Yeah.
here also. So I will.
so guys, I have done of the one, and from the back it's like this. So at the back also we have to do the same thing, and we have to make sure that both of them are on the same line.
Okay.
Okay, so this side also like this, and done. See, it's done.
See, I have did like this. I have did only like this.
And on the other side also you have to do on the both leaves.
Okay.
So guys, let's wait for Avni.
Yeah.
So she's making that sign. So guys, we have both have made this, and then what we have to do is we have to this corner like this. See, it was like this, so we have to make this corner. See, 1 minute, like this it was. So we have to take one leaf from there and touch it on the middle of the line.
Oh.
And on the second side also you have to touch it on the
See?
middle line.
I can see.
Yes.
Like this. Oh, show me. Okay. So like this. See? See, Asim, like this.
Yeah, very good. So guys, it will become like this, and on the second side also we have to touch the middle line. See, like this. On the both sides.
She's our grandmother.
Not me. So guys, after doing both of the sides, your craft will look like this.
One second.
You
The
do
back side
Avni.
also.
Yes, your craft will look like this. And Avni, I will tell you afterwards. Let me tell you to you. So guys, see, there were two like this, and you will see not on the both of the side there is packed here, and there's a opening here, so you have to make it little this, and you have to take this one here and here, and we have to do it like this, and done. 1 minute, guys. So guys, on the second
Yeah.
side also we have
See?
to do like this only.
See?
Yeah.
Like this. Like this. Done.
So guys, it is like this. You have to put this corner here, and on the second
How
side we
I
have
will
to
do?
the
How I
same.
will do? Oh, here.
Yeah. The second side also we have to do the same thing. 1 minute, guys. So
We should do with the both side.
yeah. So guys, after doing this, your craft will become like this from the both
See,
of the
see,
sides.
guys. I will show properly.
So guys, your craft is finished,
Where this
and
is
these
opening.
both are here.
Where this
See,
is opening.
These three are the same. See. Now you will on with the craft you will make, you will see a hole on it.
So here.
So guys, our craft is done, and so this was my video for today. If you found it interesting, please hit the like button and tell us in the comments that which we should do the next video. Bye guys.